Hey everybody, Joey here from Joey's Garage. Usually I'm out of my garage working on something, but today I'm inside. I have a DIY project that I need to do that is a problem that always bugs me. And the reason it bugs me, because it is so simple and easy to fix, and that's what I'm going to do today. You might ask what it is? It is a squeaky door hinge. As you can hear, that thing is crying out loud and I need to fix it. So, what am I going to fix it with? What I have is liquid wrench dry lubricant. This is one of my favorites. You can use other stuff. I just prefer this one. I'm not paid, I'm not sponsored. This is just what I prefer. And it's so super easy to use. All you have to do is spray it in the hinge, let it dry, and boom. Non-squeaky hinge door. For crying out loud. So to unsqueak this hinge, all I'm going to do is spray a little bit of the dry lubricant right into the hinge and have a paper towel standing by to get any of the dripping. And I'm going to do that on all three. And there we go. Now that the dry lubricant has been applied on the hinges, I'll just open and close a couple times, make sure it works in. And if you still get a little bit of squeak, do a second application. But other than that, it's done. 2 minutes. Liquid wrench, dry lubricant. As I said, this is just my preference. Anyone that is really a dry lubricant, you don't want it dripping down, even though you do have that paper towel, but even still, it will kind of leak out afterwards. So, dry lubricant, door hinge, project done. And with that, thank you very much for watching. Check out my other videos on YouTube and stay safe.